To remove a PayPal permanent limitation, you must first understand why the limitation was placed on your account. PayPal typically imposes limitations due to security concerns, such as suspicious activity or a lack of verification. Step 1 is to log in to your PayPal account and review the limitation notice. This notice will provide information on the reason for the limitation and the steps you need to take to resolve the issue. Next, you will need to verify your account by providing identification and proof of address. This can be done by uploading the required documents to the PayPal website. Acceptable documents include a government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport, and a utility bill or bank statement. After uploading your documents, you will need to wait for PayPal to review them. This can take several days, so be patient. Once your documents have been verified, you will receive an email from PayPal stating that the limitation has been lifted. In some cases, you may need to provide additional information or take further action to remove the limitation. This can include confirming your email address or phone number, or providing information about your business or transactions. To avoid having a permanent limitation placed on your PayPal account in the future, make sure to keep your account information up to date and verify your account as soon as possible. It is also important to monitor your account activity regularly and report any suspicious transactions to PayPal immediately. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can remove a PayPal permanent limitation and ensure that your account remains secure and functional. Remember to always follow PayPal's policies and procedures to avoid any issues with your account.